we're back again with another hair video during this quarantine. You know, we're trying to get as much content as we can for you guys, because you know you guys are bored at home trying to figure out how to grow your hair and make a comeback when quarantine is over. So we got you guys. This one is about something that you guys have been requesting a lot, something that I personally wanted to do to help you guys because it was really bothering me. This video, as you can see down below, is about how to relieve itchy braids. Now this is a nightmare, man. Everyone knows that having itchy braids, patting it all the time is a no-no. It's not only embarrassing in public, but it also can hurt sometimes, man. And having itchy braids can really disrupt not only your day, but your life. In fact, you can die from itchy braids.
What are you talking about?
Jokes aside, guys, man, itchy braids are just very annoying when you're walking around always doing this. Is like, what are you doing, like ping pong with your head? But pretty much what I did was I contacted my science team and we developed a system that can eliminate itching and lead to an itch-free society. This is how the call went. Hello, Sharice. My braids are itchy. What should I do? Okay, I'll make a video about that. Here's what I found out. Before we get into that, hit that like button, guys. You know we appreciate it. Subscribe, comment. We want to know how you feel. Alright guys, so the first thing is, before you do the braids, before you go to get the braids done, you have to do these things. You must. Okay? You must do them. You can't skip this. If you do, it's too late. Don't be that person. Alright. But guys, so before you get braids, you want to make sure that your scalp is fresh and hydrated. The best way to do that is a good wash day. You know, your favorite shampoo and deep conditioner, make sure you use those. And a scalp brush. The reason why this really helps is that it helps clean your scalp, okay? All the impurities and everything, all the gunk in there, you gotta get that out, okay? This is why you need this. And the link down below to purchase one of these is there. Now, so moisture. You need to moisturize your scalp. Alright, you need to, or else your scalp is gonna get dry, and that's why the itching happens, okay? So pretty much, guys, having itchy braids usually comes from dryness of your scalp, okay? Before you actually braid your hair, you wanna moisturize your scalp. You have to consider that with braids, you're gonna have exposed skin, and that can dry it out faster, right? So things you can do to prevent the drying are, number one, you can use oils like castor oil. This As I Am serum here. These are things you can do while and before you're getting your braids. Now on to things that you can do after your braids when you've had it for a few days to a week. Alright guys, so when you have braids in for a few days to even a week, your hair can start to get pretty itchy. Like I've had mine for about a week now, and the braids are still pretty fresh, but it's getting itchy. So these are things you can do after you've already braided your hair. Now the first thing you can use to hydrate your hair, you probably guessed it, water. Alright guys. Man, why are you looking at me like that? You can just take your water bottle, your spray bottle, just spritz some water into that, and whew, that feels good. You don't want to oversaturate your hair, so just do a little bit. Don't get too carried away. Now on to the next thing. What we have here is the tea tree braid spray. Okay? This is very good to not only add shine and luster to your hair, but it helps, guessed it, itching. I will spray some of this, not too much, you know. Now this is what you call a therapeutic braid spray, okay? It has a very pleasant smell and it feels pretty damn good. So the main ingredient in this braid spray is actually tea tree, which is an antibacterial. And so this can help fight against any scalp problems. favorite is peppermint, or you could use tea tree oil. Just you want to put some in the middle parts of your scalp right here, just like so. And the cool thing about this is it gives a tingling sensation to your scalp, and so this adds a cool feeling to your scalp, and it also gives a sensation of itch relief. You guys gotta try it. One thing you could do is use peppermint oil and tea tree oil to maximize sensation to your scalp. But of course, guys, do not overuse the product, because if you do that, you're gonna do more harm than good. The reason this happens is it's gonna cause buildup in your scalp, it's gonna suffocate your scalp, and it's gonna make things a lot worse, trust me. Not to mention, guys, buildup is very bad for hair growth. You gotta keep that scalp free. Guys, so if you've done all these steps and you still feel like your hair is just too itchy, you can't bear it, you're scratching it a lot, take it out. Alright, it's probably a sign that you need another wash, that you gotta refresh them braids. I've learned personally is that the more often you braid your hair, it tends to get itchy less often. What I mean by that is, the first time I braided my hair, maybe in the first few days it was getting super itchy, but now I can go 1 to 2 weeks and it doesn't even itch as often. The more you do it, the more your hair will get used to it, and also the more you learn how to keep your braids moisturized and your hair moisturized before you braid it, the longer you will have your braids in itch free. Alright guys, so if you're someone with a naturally dry scalp and you feel like your hair is getting itchy way too quickly, don't fret. The more you take care of your scalp, the less often or the less quickly it'll get dry. Guys, so the last thing that I wanted to add, that you need to get yourself a do-rag, okay? Not only for keeping it neat while you sleep, but also do-rags can add a bit of humidity to your hair, and that keeps your hair moisturized more. So you'll realize that when you have your do-rag on, it can sometimes ease the itchiness. And of course, it's very important to sleep with your do-rag on, because your pillows, especially if they're not silk, are gonna dry your hair out. And nobody wants that. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps us out. Share the video to a friend who might need some itch relief, so we can collectively stop doing this. Stay safe, guys.